Hi, welcome to today's tutorial about this Akismet, which is a WordPress plugin that basically helps us to filter spam comments, because as you all know, spam comments are actually bad for SEO, so it will hurt the rankings of our pages and pages on posts. So what's interesting about this is we can actually set up this plugin, without actually paying for the paid plan. We can start with a free plan. So we just have to click on this setup Akismet account button. So now we see that that's the first one, which is the personal. We can actually name our price. So this is like a basic plan or free plan, free trial plan. So we can start with without paying money first. And we don't even have to leave our credit card details first. So this is just like a basic one, and there's also the plus plan and enterprise plan. So the personal plan, we can only get like spam protection, which is at the minimum. This is the kind of protection that we get. So yeah, these are suitable for personal sites, blogs, or maybe commercial websites, that are just starting. So for starters, we can go with this plan, and there's the plus, which is $5 per month per site, per domain. And there's also like these are the full features, which is it supports commercial sites, it has advanced stats, priority support, things like that. And there's also these enterprise, which starts at $50 per month, which is about $600 per year. So for this tutorial, we'll start with the free plan first, or the name your pricing plan. So this is my email address. And this is Akismet personal plan. So starts at $36 per year. This is the recommended setting, by Akismet. So we can tune it to like $0 per year. We can play around with the slider actually. Like $18, which is like less than $2 per month. Because like $18 per year. So of course, as mentioned here, it's strictly for non-commercial use. So of course, $1 per month or $12 per year is a good start, as a token of appreciation. So first we'll enter our first name, then our last name. For this instance, I'll be using marketingprof.net. So we have to tick all these check boxes, like I don't have ads on my site, I don't sell products or services on my site, I don't promote a business on my site. And so after reading this, I think we're good to go. So we can just continue with the personal subscription plan. Okay, so what else do we have here? So we agree with the privacy policy. So yeah, at any time, any point of time, we can just turn the slider. I mean, there'll be an upgrade button later. Okay, so we can easily comply to commercial sites. Okay, basically sites, websites that has a product or service to offer a business. Okay, yeah, so let's continue. Okay, so now we have to go to our email or mailbox and check out on the confirmation code that we'll be getting from Akismet. Okay, so this is the code. So once we've pasted it, so we just continue. Okay, so let's wait for a while. Okay, so this is the sign up page. Okay, sign up complete page. So as you can see here, we have we have to manually enter the API key into the WordPress plugin settings later, which is the Akismet plugin. So yeah, we have to connect with Akismet's servers, okay, which is by using the API key. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, so this is the API key. Okay, so we just have to copy and paste it. Paste it over here. Okay, we just have to connect with our API key. Okay, so this is the settings page. So happy blogging. Yeah, so this is show the first one. The first option is we have to show the number of, we can pick to whether we want to show the number of approved comments beside each comment author. Personally, I think that this is not the most important feature that I need. Okay, for any website. Okay, so for strictness, I'll go with silently discard the worst and most pervasive spam, and otherwise Akismet will treat every single comment like a spam comment, and it will automatically go into the spam folder and be deleted within 15 days. Okay, so and this is the privacy settings. Okay, so we can display a privacy notice under our command forms. Okay, so we can also choose not to display, but if you want to comply with privacy policies like like GDPR and other internet policies, so it's highly recommended to display a privacy notice. It's just the same as a privacy policy page on any website. Yeah. So let's go through the features here. Okay. Yeah. So let's click on this, and I think we're good to go. Yeah. Just save the changes. Okay. So what we'll do now is we'll check double check. This is, our status is active right now, and can you see the upgrade button over here? So this is, we can actually upgrade to the commercial license. Yeah. Or yeah, which starts from $5 per month. Okay, and this is the terms of service. So view user information data such as username, name, email, blog, and gravatar. Okay, so we can choose to upgrade later whenever we want. Okay, so, and not to forget that we have to go back into the settings page. And yeah, so now we'll visit our website and we'll see how it looks like. Okay, so basically this site uses Akismet to use span, and this is the command data. So Akismet, which is the plugin developer, has clearly stated all the information over here on the left side of the screen, and yeah, I think we should comply to all these. I'm sorry, I mean this kind of information is helpful for site visitors whenever they leave their comments, and if they have the time to read this. Yeah, so we look at the gist, which is you can always opt out, just like email, and the data. So that's all for this video, this tutorial. If you like the tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe also. Thanks for your time.